Today we're going to do, first of all, okay, quick story. So they just opened a Jollibee close to me. Well, kind of, it's about an hour or a little over an hour away, and that's the closest one because normally we would go to Virginia Beach, which is about 3.5 to 4 hours away to go to Jollibee, or the one in New York. So considering that this is only about an hour away, this is the closest one. So I had to go there. I had to check it out. Okay, so this particular Jollibee is in Wheaton, Maryland, and they just opened, I don't want to misspeak, but I want to say about a week ago. All right, so this food was fresh when I got it, of course, duh. But since it rode with me in the car for quite some time, it probably doesn't look as appetizing as it normally would, but I promise you, this is good stuff. Okay, so let me show you all that I got. All right, so here's all the food that I got. There's peach mango pie, adobo rice, cheesy yum burger, spaghetti with 2 pieces of chicken joy chicken, palabok, which took a little bit of beating from travel, steak burger, I guess, and then my soggy fries that have also been with me in the car. So, and then mashed potatoes on the side. All right, so now, what do we start with? You know, let me tell you what I'm really, really excited about, okay? Well, the 2 main things that I'm really, truly excited about would be the cheesy yum burger, okay? I've never tried it, so I love cheese, and you can't go wrong with a hamburger. So I love Filipino cheese as well, so I'm hoping that they used Filipino cheese. For those of you who don't know, Jollibee is the largest food chain in the Philippines. So they have some here in the United States. So if you're looking for the best chicken you'll ever have in your life, it's probably not going to be Jollibee. Though I have to say, Jollibee chicken, or Chicken Joy is what they refer to it as, is really good. It's pretty darn good, I'd have to say. And I'm a fried chicken connoisseur. Okay, so, and it's the nostalgia factor behind it all because I grew up with Jollibee, so to have it here, that's an absolute joy, okay? So this is what it looks like, okay? Nothing too exciting about it, but let's see if the taste will change the game, okay? So it's not really doing anything for me. Let me take another bite. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's good, but it's just like any old cheeseburger, right? That you can make at home. So that's that. So that's one of the first things that I was really excited about, okay? And getting fries to travel with you for a long way to go, probably not a good idea because my fries are soggy and who likes soggy fries? Nobody. But, mouth has a hole. I wish I could have done a mukbang as soon as I got these. Wish I could have done a mukbang inside. So I could have reviewed all of these items because I want to, I want to give this a fair shake. So just like the Yum Burger, the fries aren't doing it for me either. Not bad, but completely soggy, okay? So that's not what I was really excited about, but I had to try it. Okay, I was really excited about this spaghetti, okay? All right, like, look at that. Would you look at that? Okay, first of all, Filipinos put sugar, we put sugar in our spaghetti, okay? We like it sweet. And we also use Filipino hot dog to add to it. And Filipino hot dog is heavenly, okay? Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's heavenly. I grew up with it, so I could be biased, but I love it, okay? So I was really excited about this. And they use Filipino cheese, okay? And you can see the hot dog pieces in there. Yes, like that's it. Like I'm done. Like I could just have this all day. All day. Just so good. Just so good. Okay. Let me go ahead and take a break from the spaghetti because I'm telling you, this is all I need in my life. But let's move on to the famous chicken joy, okay? It's good. It's good. Then we have the palabo. These are clear noodles. I don't want to say they're cellophane noodles, but they could be. I really honestly should have done my research before I did this vlog, but I was in a rush to get to the food because it was getting colder by the minute. But this is, feel free to Google it. It's called palabo. I just put it on your screen. Yeah. And should tell you what it is. It's noodles. I know it's noodles. It's got shrimp. It's got slices of egg in there. Like, can't go wrong with slices of egg. What? Okay. Traditional palabo. It's good. I had to take a second bite with the garnishing. It makes it all worthwhile. Like, you gotta have it with the garnishing. Like, yes. I just realized how big of a bite that was. That wasn't so dainty at all, but we keep it real on my channel. Okay, let me take a break. That's how good it is. Okay, so I just realized that I'm just eating one thing. Okay, let me move on to the next, but I'm gonna take this last bite So let's put this away. So I was really curious. I was really surprised to see adobo rice on the menu. There you are. I wanted to see what this is all about. So let's give it a taste. I definitely taste the soy sauce. There's tiny pieces of meat in there. I want to say, I'm not sure if it's beef or chicken, but it's good. Yeah. This soy sauce is not too much. It's not like overbearing where it's really salty. It's just the right amount. It's perfect. This and the chicken joy would go great together. It absolutely would. It absolutely would. By the way, you guys, since you're here watching me, I want to share my food with you, okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and give away some Jollibee gift cards, okay? So, I'm going to choose 5 of my subscribers, Filipino subscribers, and lunch on me. So, each one of you will receive 300 pesos so you can get your lunch. Okay? So, it'll be 5 300 peso gift cards. Okay? So, just comment and write your email, and then I'll choose the 5 and lunch on me. Okay? So, now let's move on to the I'm sorry, not mac and cheese. I wish there was mac and cheese. Let's move on to the mashed potatoes, okay? I'm not at all a mashed potato kind of girl at all, okay? But they sell a lot of these, and I needed to pick a side, so I ordered mashed potatoes as my side dish. So that's different. That's certainly different than American mashed potatoes. Not bad different, good different. You know why? It's very creamy. Like, it seems like, I want to say there's butter in here because you can really taste the butter. Like it's like it has a buttery flavor. Does that sound strange? Am I explaining that right? Is that turning you off? But I promise you, it makes sense. It makes sense. Like, it's a creamy, buttery flavor in here. Yeah. And for me, to take more than one bite, it's worth it. Because like I said, I'm not a mashed potato kind of girl at all. I could honestly go without it. It's just not my thing. Okay. So what's the next one? The next one is the steak burger. I'm assuming you may make a sandwich out of this or maybe eat it with rice. We eat a lot of rice, okay? We eat rice with most anything and everything, so I wouldn't be surprised if you're supposed to eat this with rice. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section below, okay? Are you supposed to eat this by itself? Are you supposed to make a sandwich out of it? What? tastes like a burger. Any old burger. Like, just tastes like a regular burger. There's mushrooms. I don't hate it, but I wouldn't say that it's something that I would order again. It's not bad at all. It's good if you're into burgers, okay? So let's just put this out there. I'm also not a burger kind of girl. So, okay, if you're into burgers, this might be your jam here, okay? But it's just not for me, all right? But not bad at all. So, what is next on the, sorry, I should have grabbed the napkin. Hang on. All right. So what's next on the lineup? Let's put that there. Out of the frame. So we have the peach mango pie. There you go. I had this for the first time, I want to say a week and a half ago when we went to Virginia Beach. I tried it for the very first time and I thought it was pretty good because they use genuine Philippine mango, okay? If you've never had Philippine mango before, it's the real deal, okay? It's the real deal. I promise you. I'm not even biased because if I wasn't Filipino, I probably would still love it. It's really super duper good. Like, you can tell it's from the Philippines type of good because it'll leave just this indelible mark. Like, it's gonna be forever embedded. You're just not gonna forget about it, okay? You're gonna know. You're just gonna know, okay? So, you know what? I gotta say, this time around, I can really taste the peach. The first time I tried it, I only tasted the mango. It's a peach mango pie. But I'm not complaining. Not at all. So, guys, I really truly prepared for this occasion. And put my hair up and everything, okay? It's all over the place because that's my business, and I just put it up so I can get to the food, right? Yes, there's the mango. There's my jam. There it is. I just tasted it. So good. Oh my gosh, I'm not even exaggerating. Jollibee, if I may, I would just like to make a suggestion that you just turn this into a complete mango pie. You can go ahead and omit the peach, okay? We won't even notice, okay? We wouldn't lose sleep, okay, over it. Please, could you just please do us a favor. Do me a favor. There's that mango. I'm telling you. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna have to finish this. And I seem to be a lot of like, I'm not this kind of girl or that kind of girl, but it's the absolute truth, okay? Hand on the Bible, it's the absolute truth. I am also not a pie type of girl, okay? I truly have a sweet tooth, but I'm not into pies. Like, I'm more of a cake type of girl. But this here pie, Jollibee, please. Like, care for the peach at all. It's so good with just the mango. Like, I think they were trying to be experimental. It was like, ooh, what else can we add? Like, nothing. Well, nothing else. Just leave the mango as is. Right, you know? Like they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? I don't know if it was ever just mango and then you just decided, hey, let's spice things up. Or we're going to jazz up our pie and add peach. Who even likes peach? I'm sorry. If you like peach, more power to you, but really? Like, mango wins over peach any day. Sorry, my opinion. Okay? Like, mango wins over peach any day. My opinion, let's argue. Actually, let's not argue because you're not changing my mind. There's just no ifs, ands, buts about it. Mango over any type of fruit, any day. It makes you want to dance. It makes you want to dance. That's how good it is. It's gone. Bye. Bye. Okay. Now I have to balance that out. I have to balance out the flavor. I'm going to try something salty. Let's get back to this palabok. Okay, we're going to save the best for last. We're going to save the spaghetti because I'm probably going to be a very sad girl once that spaghetti is gone. Okay, I've tried to emulate it, but there's nothing like the original. There's just absolutely nothing like the original. You know? Yep. I think though, I have to say, palabok is an acquired taste. So, to me, it's good. I grew up with this stuff. It's good to me. Okay? But don't come throw stones at me because you're like, oh, you told me it was good. I don't really like it. Well, I mean, difference of opinion, that does happen. But honest review, it's good. It's good. Bible, I would tell you otherwise. I really would. I'm getting thirsty, guys. I'm gonna have to detox after all this food. I'm just gonna have to. It's good. And you know, the proportions are fair. You know, they don't skip you out on proportions. I mean, it's a good size, so you get full. That's good. I'm gonna have to put that away because I have to make room for my fave. And let's go ahead and give the adobo rice with fried chicken a try, because if I'm thinking of it the way it's going to taste, if I'm thinking of it right, it should be bomb together, like it should be. Okay. That's good rice. That is good rice. Jollibee. Wow. That is really good rice. I don't know whose idea that was, but kudos to give them a raise. A promotion, something. Okay. Mm. 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 Guys, let me tell you. Bone. Hold on. Excuse me. Let me tell you. Because it's a newly opened Jollibee, I mean, let me just be honest. It was complete chaos in there, okay? But I get it. I get it. They just, they haven't gotten a system together. They haven't quite gotten a smooth flow of things, okay? But I know they're gonna get it together. But, right? Because it was complete chaos in there, it was such a long wait. An absolutely long wait. Right? And then something told me to check my order. And I didn't just order all of this. I also ordered for the rest of the fam. Okay? So it was a lot of stuff. Okay? And I really didn't feel like going through each and every single item. But something told me, like, look, listen, before you drive back to Virginia and make yourself mad, check your stuff now. Okay? While you're still in the store. So I was like, you know what? Okay, let me check it. Right, I checked it. They forgot my adobo rice. Completely forgot it. So I politely approached the counter and I said, I'm sorry, my adobo rice is missing. And he said, oh, okay, it'll be 5 minutes for the rice. After waiting for what seemed like an hour, okay, if I didn't drive over an hour to get there, I probably would have just left because of how long it took for me to finally get my food, right? But because I already made it all the way out to Wheaton, I was like, suck it up, Mariel. Just muscle through this wait. So, right? So I said 5 minutes, sure. And he said, I'm sorry. I said, it's fine. Right? 5 minutes. Would you believe it took, I want to say, an additional 15? So, actually, that's being conservative. Probably more like 20 minutes for me to get this tiny bucket of rice. Adobo rice, correction. I almost left. I almost said, you know what? Don't worry about the rice. You just keep it. Just keep it. That would have been a huge, huge mistake. Would have been. My goodness. What? You ever taste something so good that you make like a stink face? Like whatever your stink face is. Like, yeah, that. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. That's a marriage right there. These two here, it's a straight marriage. Why couldn't Jollibee just be near me? Because I swear to you, I would just order spaghetti every day. Like, their spaghetti. What's your fave? What do you like to get from Jollibee? What's your fave? Am I eating this stuff right? I am, right? Like, this is how you do it. So let's recap. Peach mango pie. Good. Great even. Just take out the peach, please. Can't really give an honest review about the fries because they're soggy because of the travel. So I want to be fair. Yum burger was not bad. Just a regular burger, you know? Mashed potatoes, creamy, a hint of butter, good. Palabo, traditional palabo, good. This steak burger, can't say I'm a fan. I'm not a fan. It's not bad. It's not like repulsive. I'm just not a fan. Okay. But what I am a fan of is this adobo rice. Okay. I will recommend this all day long. Adobo rice is, I promise you, this will be your new jam. This is just so good. This is really good. Adobo rice with the chicken joy, that's a marriage. The spaghetti, must I reiterate myself, just bomb. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. I love this stuff. Love it. Okay, guys, don't forget to comment and include your email and lunch on me. Okay. I'm going to be choosing once again 5 recipients of Jollibee gift cards, okay? And each gift card will have 300 pesos. So, lunch on me. Thanks for watching my mukbang. Love, love, love. Yes.